We have confidence in the IEBC having the capacity to deliver this election if they are not interfered with. It is, however, obvious and clear to us that there are functionaries in government who want to undermine the capacity of the IEBC to deliver a credible, transparent, democratic election. That is unacceptable to the people of Kenya. When public officials take positions that are contrary to their oath of office, to the dictates of the Constitution, they are not only sabotaging the Constitution, but they are active agents of undermining a credible, transparent election.